Okay, the drink we're about to make is called the Drink of Champions. Go ahead and fill a glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of Canadian whiskey. There's 1. And 2. And we're going to follow that up with some good old Dr. Pepper. Just pour it in. Just fill it up. And you can stir it up if you'd like. If you don't want to stir it up, you can just go ahead and let the alcohol sit in there. Should sit nicely on the bottom, and the first person that takes a sip is going to have a nice surprise, pretty much all liquor in their straw. But I'm going to go ahead and stir it. That should be good enough. So if you feel like you are a champion, then I suppose the drink you should be drinking is called the Drink of Champions. Bottoms up.